Here is the status of the Williamsburg dressing glass. I just finished working this mirror frame and figuring out how to fasten it to the standards here and work the hardware. It was somewhat difficult, particularly creating this mahogany form that had to be steam bent, but then only by using 8 very thin strips of mahogany glued together could I bend that kind of mahogany. So that was quite an effort getting the steam bending done. Then after that, well, let me just turn this over and maybe you can see where the mirror then fastens into this dado in the back. Then also, I've just applied the cross-banded mahogany, straight-grained mahogany to the face of this bow. And then after that, I added the perimeter banding, black and white banding on the outer edge of the piece. And these standards, I haven't glued this assembly yet, and that will be done pretty soon. The hardware is using the pulls, the drawer pulls, that will be actually the same drawer pull will be on these 3 drawers down here. And then there's a threaded insert that is fastened in the bow that these pulls screw into. So that's how I've worked the hardware here, and it works pretty well, I think. That was a worrisome part of figuring out how to do this hardware without breaking the bow or hurting the standards, and seems to have worked out okay.